In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Smartsheet help. We all know that mastering any software can sometimes present challenges. However, when you're equipped with the right resources, those challenges can turn into opportunities for learning and improvement. So, if you're a Smartsheet user seeking answers or just some guidance, I've got some great tips for you today. One of the best places to seek assistance when working with Smartsheet is the Smartsheet community. This community is particularly handy if you find yourself in need of advice or if you have questions that general resources can't address. The community is populated with a diverse group of people, including both seasoned Smartsheet experts and everyday users just like yourself, all eager to assist you. It's a vibrant space where you can post your queries and expect to get insightful answers. Navigating to the Smartsheet community is straightforward. Simply head over to community.smartsheet.com. Once there, you will find a variety of forums and discussions categorized by topic. Whether you're dealing with a tricky formula, experiencing performance issues, or seeking best practices, there's likely a thread that addresses your concern. If you don't immediately find what you're looking for, you can ask a new question. Remember, when formulating your question, try to be as specific as possible. This helps others understand exactly what issue you're facing and adds context, making it easier for them to provide you with accurate assistance. Engaging with the community has its perks. First, it allows you to gain insights from a wide range of users who have possibly encountered similar issues. The feedback you'll receive often encompasses various perspectives that can deepen your understanding of Smartsheet and enhance your problem-solving skills. Besides problem-solving, the community environment encourages networking, providing a platform for you to connect with other professionals who utilize Smartsheet in innovative ways. This interaction not only helps with current challenges, but may also inspire future projects or improvements to your workflows. While it's a community-based platform, it's worth noting that responses might vary in speed. Sometimes, you might get a solution within minutes, while other times it may take longer. Being patient and courteous as you await replies is important, just as you'd like others to be when you're providing help in return. This spirit of mutual assistance and respect is what makes the Smartsheet community thrive. So there you have it. A handy resource you can rely on whenever you face challenges with Smartsheet. The collaborative nature of the Smartsheet community provides a trove of expertise at your fingertips, ready to help you get the most out of Smartsheet. Don't hesitate to dive in and be part of this vibrant community. Thanks for watching, and happy Smartsheeting!